Leaves the end of the ball 13 fingers wide. Twist to 3-finger wide bubbles. Twist 2 more small round bubbles to make a double bubble twist. Twist 6 small round bubbles. Wrapped around the double bubble twist. Twist a 2-finger wide bubble. Make another bear ear knot. Twist another 2-finger wide bubble, wrapped around the double bubble twist. Twist a 2-finger wide bubble. Twist for more small round bubbles. Tuck the bottom bearing ear knots into the middle of the 4 small round bubbles. Draw the hair and facial features, and the lion is done.